Welcome to Ecosystem Vitality Water Quality. In this video, we will be looking at how to add data for the water quality indicator. If you have compiled data in the form of an Excel time series, you can import it into the FHI toolbox with the top right corner button shown here. For this tutorial, we will be using the water quality mock data found under Ecosystem Vitality. Click on one of the boxes to edit its parameters. All the parameters of each box are shown on the left column here. Click here to modify its individual parameter. You can change the sample data by clicking and typing the correct value. You can also add new data for another date and click Add Timestep to add one instance. It will be shown at the bottom of the list. Additionally, you must add a metric for non-compliance. You can change between more than, less than, or a range of values for the metric. A maximum number and minimum number are necessary if you choose range. Click Add Metric to add your new metric to the right column. Click OK once completed. The edited parameter will be at the bottom of the list. You can also choose a parameter from the template. If you click Add Full Year, 12 values will be added, one for each month. The new parameter will be at the bottom of the list. Lastly, you can also define your own parameter but must include your own name and units. That is all with the water quality indicator. Thank you and see you again.